Want to make money while you sleep without spending a single dollar? These 5 passive income ideas using 100% free AI tools could change your life. You don't need any fancy skills, you don't need to hire anyone, and you don't even need to spend money. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or just looking to build an extra income stream, this video is for you. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Idea 1. AI generated ebooks. Let's say you want to write a book but don't know where to start. Here's where AI comes in. Use ChatGPT or Gemini to pick a niche, example self-help, productivity, parenting, freelancing. Generate chapter outlines. Write content per chapter. Format it using Canva. Publish your book on Amazon KDP, free platform to sell Kindle and paperback books, Gumroad or Payhip for PDF sales. Income potential. Once it's published, you can earn royalties passively every time someone buys. Pro tip. Use Hemingway editor to improve clarity and Grammarly, free version to correct grammar. Idea number 2. AI Faceless YouTube channel. Did you know you can run a YouTube channel without showing your face using 100% free AI tools? What you will need: ChatGPT for script writing, Pictory AI or Canva video for creating videos, 11 Labs or ttsmp3.com, YouTube Studio to upload and monetize. Choose niches like motivational stories, tech reviews, quotes compilation, productivity hacks. After 1000 subscribers plus 4000 hours watch time, you qualify for monetization equal passive ad revenue. Bonus tip. Use vidIQ or TubeBuddy for free to find low competition keywords. Idea number 3. AI generated print on demand. Print on demand is one of the most passive income streams out there, and with AI you don't even need to be a designer. Tools to use: Leonardo AI or Microsoft Designer, Canva, Printify or Redbubble. Niche ideas: funny quotes, cat or dog lovers, productivity and mindset. Once your designs are uploaded, they get printed and shipped automatically. You get a royalty completely hands-off. Tip: create trending designs using free keywords tools like Google Trends and exploring topics. Idea number 4. Sell AI generated templates. Everyone needs ready-made templates from resumes to Instagram carousels. You can make and sell these using free AI tools. Tools to use: ChatGPT to generate content ideas like CV headlines, planner prompts, etc. Canva to design templates like Instagram posts, Notion planners, resumes, etc. Gumroad or Etsy to sell your templates. Income potential: one template can sell again and again, that's recurring revenue. Tip: using AI to research pain points of your audience and design problem-solving templates. Idea number 5. AI blogging for ad revenue. Yes, blogging still works. With AI, you can generate blog posts faster and start earning from Google AdSense or affiliate marketing. Steps you think: use ChatGPT to generate blog articles around low competition keywords. Use Ubersuggest to find keywords. Build a free blog using Blogger or WordPress.com. Apply for Google AdSense once you have enough content and traffic. Use affiliate links to earn even more. Monetization: ad revenue, affiliate sales, sponsored post. Pro tip: use Quillbot to paraphrase or improve AI written content. So, there you have it, 5 legit passive income ideas using completely free AI tools. All of these are beginner friendly, low risk, and can be automated for long-term results. If you're ready to start, let me know in the comments which idea are you going to use first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered income strategies. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.